Welcome back to another video with me and my soul, inside of my soul today. Today we're going to be talking about the throttle body and how that affects your rough idle in your car. Cleaning that, along with cleaning your intake valve system, will have your engine purring like nobody's business, all right? The throttle body will essentially control how much air is going to go into your engine, which is going to affect the performance of it. If that has carbon buildup and soot, it's going to not perform like you want it to. Your fuel economy will suffer and your engine may seize. So making sure we clean that is the top priority, along with cleaning the intake valve system. Really, that should be done in tandem, in my opinion, but also I'm not a professional, so do what you will with that information. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the process of how to clean out the throttle body and what that will look like. So basically we're gonna take the air intake system out, so it'd be this, and then this hose that goes to it, and there's this little screw. I don't know if you see it there. It's a little screw in there. You just unscrew it and then you can pull off the whole thing and just place it somewhere else. And then there'll be this little metal thing with flaps. They call it butterfly flaps. And that is your throttle body. So we're gonna clean that, all right? Items you're gonna need for this project is microfiber cloth, throttle body cleaner, a Phillips, and gloves. All right, so for cleaning the throttle body, we're gonna clean 6 locations on this throttle body. Inside bottom, inside top, bottom and top. You're also gonna clean the flap on the inside of it, the top of that on both sides. You're also going to clean the rim of it on the side and on the inside of that as well. So it's going to be hard to record that, but I just wanted to tell you all that before I actually started doing it. All right, so after I did the throttle body cleaning, my car started up like normal. It wasn't anything like drastic, but I do feel the difference when I'm driving. And I don't know if it's because I did the intake valve cleaning and the throttle body cleaning at the same time, so in tandem it's just working better. Also, you know, having a fresh engine air filter will aid in the car just running way more smoother. So if you are thinking about doing this, think about doing your engine filter, changing that, along with doing the throttle body cleaning, along with doing the intake valve cleaning. Once you do that, I feel like you'll feel a huge difference in how your car runs. And if it does run differently, and in the better or worse, just let me know. Just let me know in the comment section. I'm very interested to know how other people's car experience has been. I'm trying my hardest to like give you guys as much information as I learn, and I want you all to feel confident in doing it. So if there's something that you got questions about, or you just need a little bit extra push to go ahead and do it, yeah, just let me know in the comments, and I got you as always. So till we meet again, I am out.